Hi students. So today we are going to see chapter 3 playing numbers exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1 first question, write all the factors of the following numbers. First subdivision 24. What do you mean by factor? A factor, it is nothing but it should divide the given number exactly. For example, 2 divides 24, isn't it? 2 12s are 24. If I divide 24 by 2, we get 2 1s are 2 12s are 24. So this 2 is an exact divisor of 24. Similarly, 3 tables. 3 8s are 24. So 3 is an exact divisor of 24. So like that we have to find what are the factors of 24. So now let us see. So 24, 124s are 24 and similarly 24 1s are 24. The next 2 12s are 24, 12 2s are 24. 3 8s are 24, 8 3s are 24. And then we can choose 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24. So now we can list out the factors. Therefore, the factors of 24 are just write down all the first entries. Okay, just write down all the first entries. So what are the numbers? 1, 2, let us arrange in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then 12, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So these are the factors of 24. So 24 உடைய factors என்னென்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 24க்கான tables 24 எந்தெந்த டேபிள்ஸ்லாம் வரும் அப்படின்றத நம்ம லைனாக எழுதணும். 1 24s are அதே மாதிரி 24 1s are, 2 12s are அதே மாதிரி 12 2s are, 3 8s are அதே மாதிரி 8 3s are, 4 6 are 6 4s are. ஸோ இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரிஸ் ஃபுல்லாகவே நம்ம எழுதிடுறோம். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரிஸை அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டரில் எழுதுறோம். அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர்னா சின்ன நம்பர் வந்து பெரிய நம்பர். ஸோ அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டரில் நம்ம எழுதிடுறோம். 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. So these are the factors of 24. Subdivision B is 15. So now let us write down what are the factors of 15. So 15 ones are 15 and similarly we can write 15 ones are 1 15s are 15 ones are, and then 3 tables 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Then is there any other numbers which is is there any other numbers? No, isn't it? So therefore the factors of 15 are 1 3, that is the first entries. 1 3, I'm just writing in ascending order. 1 3 5 15. So these are the factors. Subdivision C is 21. So now let us write down what are the factors of 21. 121s are 21 1s are, and then 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21. The next, that's all, right? So now let us list down the elements, list down the factors. Therefore the factors of 21 are 1 3 7 21. So என்னெல்லாம் factors? 1 3 7 21. So இதெல்லாம் தான் இதோடைய factors. Next, subdivision D 27. 127s are 27 1s are, 3 9s are 9 3s are. That's all, isn't it? Apart from this we don't have any tables. With 27 to be as the answer. Therefore the factors are The factors are 1, 3, 9, 27. Next, subdivision E, 12. So 12, let us list down the factors, the tables. Which 1 12s are, 12 ones are, and then 2 6 are, 6 twos are, 3 fours are, 4 threes are. Now just write down the first numbers. So first numbers full-ஆவே நம்ம எடுத்துறோம். Therefore the factors are 1 2 3 4 6 12. So these are the factors. These are the factors of 12. Next, subdivision F, 20. So what are the factors of 20? So we can have 120s are, 21s are. The tables are 112s are, 120s are, 21s are. Then 2 10s are, 10 twos are. And then 4 5s are, 5 fours are. That's all. So let us write down all the factors. Therefore, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Next, subdivision G, 18. So let us write down the tables of 18. So what are the tables? 1 18s are, 18 ones are, and then 2 9s are, 9 twos are, 3 6 are, 6 threes are. So let us list down all the factors. Therefore the factors are 1 2 3 6 9 18. The next, 23. So 23 is a prime number, isn't it? Prime number means, what do you mean by prime number? Prime number, the factors of prime number will be 1 and 23. Prime number அப்படின்றது அந்த நம்பர் வந்து அதே நம்பரால டிவைட் ஆகும், இல்லைன்னா 1 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகும். அதாவது 1 and 23. 17 வந்து prime number. So 17 வந்து 17 tablesஆல தான் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும், ஆர் 1 tablesஆல நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ எந்த ஒரு நம்பர் அதே டேபிள்ஸால டிவைட் ஆகுமோ அதுதான் நம்ம வந்து prime number சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ அதோடைய ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வந்து 1 and the number itself. So that we call that to be as prime number. So a prime number is a number which has a factor as 1 and itself is called as prime number. So here 23 is a prime number because 123s are and 23 ones are. No other tables will have 23 as a product. So 1 and 23. Therefore the factors are 1 and 23. Subdivision I, 36. So 36 in the sense that, so let us list down all the tables. 136 are, 36 ones are, 2 18s are, 18 twos are, 3 12s are, 12 threes are, 4 9s are, 9 fours are, and then 6 6 are. That's all, right? So let us write down all the factors. Therefore the factors are so these are the factors. Let us write down in ascending order. So 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. Next, second question, write 5 multiples of first subdivision 5. So we have to write the first 5 multiples of 5. So So the answer is the first 5 multiples of 5. The first 5 multiples of 5 are, just write down the 5 tables. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are 5 fours are 5 fives are. That is, what is 5 ones are? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so the first 5 multiples of 5 are 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5. That is, it is nothing but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next, subdivision B, 8. So the first 5 multiples of 8, the first 5 multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are. That is, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So this is the answer. Next, subdivision C, 9. So the first 5 multiples are, the first 5 multiples of 9 are 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 threes are 9 fours are 9 fives are. That is, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. Third question, match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. So we have to match the items. So 35, you just look down. 35 is a multiple of 7 fives are 35, isn't it? 7 fives are 35. It is not a multiple of 70. 70 ones are 70, 72s are 140. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So 35 is a multiple of 7. So option 1, that is option B, is the correct answer for first subdivision. Next, 15. 15 here, factor of 30, isn't it? Factor of 30 is 15. So second one is mapped to option B. Next, 16. Multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So option A is mapped to third subdivision. 20. 20 is a factor of 20, isn't it? 20 ones are 20. So factor 20 oda factor வந்து 20 தானே. நம்ம list of factors நம்ம எழுதணும்னா கண்டிப்பா அதே நம்பர் 20யும் இருக்கும். So என்ன பாருங்க, 20 கான factors பார்க்கும்போது 120s are 21s are. So 20 is one of the factor. So factor of 20 is 20. 25. 25, it is for option, this is 4 and this is 5. 25 ones are 25 twos are. So for 50, 25 is one of the factor. So if you just consider 50, 25 twos are 50. So 25 is one of the factor. So 50 oda factors la enna list panninga 25 um irukum illaya, 25 twos are nu. So appo 25 um oru factor. So option E. Fourth question, find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So we have to just write down the tables of 9 till it reaches 99. So solution, so the answer, that is the multiples of 9 are 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 threes are 9 fours are 9 fives are 9 sixes are 9 sevens are 9 eights are 9 nines are 9 tens are 9 11s are. That is, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99. 9 12s are எடுத்தோம்னா அது எக்ஸீட் ஆகுது. ஸோ அப் டு 100 தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதனால 100க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதோட நம்ம முடிச்சிடணும்.